Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and take a look at the all-new design 2021 Kia Sorento SX Prestige front-wheel drive. It's featured in sapphire blue exterior with a black interior. This example is offered by Lou Fusz Kia in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $42,415. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Josh. His contact information is listed below. There you can see the Sorento labeling, the name across the rear hatch. You can also see, and I'll zoom in on the SX turbo badging, the rear spoiler on the Sorento. As we slide down the passenger side, you can see the aluminum roof rails, power side mirrors with the LED turn indicator. Great look at the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We have LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, LED tail lights, forward collision avoidance, Assist-Cyclist, and junction turning. Great looking all-new design grille, all-new design front end. As we dive into the back seat, it's the second row is a captain's chairs row. They are a one-touch slide and fold second row seats. The third row is a split 50-50 fold-down seat. All three rows have USB ports. You can see the USB ports for the second row right there in the driver's seat on the side. Panoramic sunroof. As we slide out of the back and into the front, you can see both driver and passenger seat are power. Another great look at that blue sky. Not as pretty as the exterior color, but blue sky nonetheless. Center stack, we'll talk about that more in detail as we back out of the passenger area, show the power seats, power windows. Here we got a great look at the dash from the back seat, door-to-door shot, additional power ports for the rear occupants, fingertip controls on the leather-wrapped steering wheel. It is a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Great look at the center stack. Go ahead and subscribe now. Hey, it's free. Why not? As we tilt back and show the panoramic sunroof, there's that blue sky. Power windows, power door locks, power seats, power front and driver and passenger seat. Love the side bolstering on these seats. So we have the Bose Premium Audio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, smartphone integration. There you can see the tilt telescoping steering wheel, power windows, power side mirrors. Aluminum sport foot pedal, as well as a gas pedal and brake pedal. There you can see when you put the vehicle in reverse, you can see the 360 view, dynamic grid lines, navigation, map. The navigation with a 10.25 touchscreen with MapCare, surround view monitor. That surround view is great. It gives you a kind of like a satellite view of your vehicle, so it identifies objects around your vehicle. And it helps you when you're parking. Bose Premium Auto, surround view monitor, blind spot view monitor, additional power ports for the front driver and passenger. There you can see the heated and vented front seats, the key fob, audio dimming rear view mirror, drive mode select. Check out the 12.3 digital instrument cluster, and then when I punch through the drive mode select, it's a virtual cluster, so it changes. Just love the way that looks. Got to put it on the sport though. That's where all the fun is. Heated steering wheel. It is a leather steering wheel, as I mentioned. Electronic parking brake. We also have the camera. You don't have to put the vehicle in reverse in order to see the backup camera. Dual zone climate control, wireless phone charger, Bluetooth wireless technology, paddle shifters, smart key push button, remote start. Forward collision avoidance, assist. So as far as the rear cargo area, we have 12.6 cubic feet of storage with the seats up, 75.5 with the seats down. We have smart hands-free power liftgate, rear cross traffic collision avoidance, blind spot, safe exit assist, smart cruise control, lane keeping, highway driving assist, park distance warning, reverse, rear occupant alert. So if someone's in the back third row and you get out of the vehicle, it alerts you that they're still back there. You can see how I push the third row seats down. And here we close the rear tailgate. Great looking lines on this vehicle. So as far as an engine is concerned, we have a 2.5 liter turbo engine, 311 foot-pounds of torque, 281 horsepower, 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, drive mode select, 22 city, 29 highway. Thanks again for watching. Check out Fuse.com.